we will continue to look at how to solve inequalities that involve absolute values. In this example, we'll find solutions to the absolute value of x minus 3 is bigger than or equal to 6. We saw before that a good first step to solving an inequality is to first solve the corresponding equality. So let's first solve the equality, absolute value of x minus 3 equals 6. If you would like to see it done out, you can click the purple link now. We find that x equals negative 3 and x equals 9 are the solutions to the equation absolute value of x minus 3 equals 6. On the number line, we mark that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side at these points, x equals negative 3 and x equals 9. Now we know that on each of the three regions individually, we have either the absolute value of x minus 3 is bigger than 6 for every value on the region, meaning they're all solutions, or the absolute value of x minus 3 is less than 6 for every value on the region, meaning there's no solutions. That's because we know the only place the left-hand side and the right-hand side can switch which is bigger is at the points that they're equal. So we need to check each region to see which are solutions. Let's start the process of checking those solutions. From the region x is less than negative 3, we can pick the number x equals negative 4. For x equals negative 4, the left-hand side can be computed as the absolute value of negative 4 minus 3, which is the absolute value of negative 7, which is 7. This is bigger than 6, so x equals negative 4 is a solution. And because x equals negative 4 is a solution, the entire region of x less than negative 3 have to be solutions. Next, we'll check the region x between negative 3 and 9. We can pick the number x equals 0 because it's easy to compute when x is 0. For x equals 0, the left-hand side is the absolute value of 0 minus 3, which is the absolute value of negative 3, which is 3. This is less than 6, so x equals 0 is not a solution. And because x equals 0 is not a solution, every value of x between negative 3 and 9 are not solutions as well. Finally, from the region x is bigger than 9, we can pick the number x equals 10. For x equals 10, the left-hand side is the absolute value of 10 minus 3, which is the absolute value of 7, which is 7. And because this is bigger than 6, x equals 10 is a solution, which means that every value of x bigger than 9 is a solution. So we can conclude that the solutions to the absolute value of 3 minus 4x are less than or equal to 9 are all the values of x from negative infinity up to negative 3 and the values of x from 9 off to infinity. It is written below in interval notation, which is what WebWork will expect.